Hey, this is Shoaib. Thanks for inviting me to the job post. I was checking the description and you demanded a Loom video regarding my experience. So here you can see my screen. This is a very recent project I was working on ClickUp. So as you mentioned the ClickUp tool in your description, so I wanted to share this with you. So this is a law firm I'm working with, and we have different folders for marketing workflows and client files. So and there are different stages as well. Let's say follow-up 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever there's a new lead, a follow-up one is sent, and the next 3 days date is calculated and added in a column, and the automation will keep checking if like there are 3 days sent from a follow-up one, it will send the second follow-up. So yeah, I have set up the automations in make.com, so like this, and there are a lot of automations I have set up here for this specific client. But yeah, I've been working on Upwork and operated here, and if you see my profile, I've done like 200 plus projects. I started from 5 years. I've been working as an automation project, and you can see my job success here, the total hours worked, and my client reviews. So they are all happy with me. So yeah, I've been working with a lot of clients and got a very good job success just because of my responsibility, my response rate, my good behavior, and my work quality. So yeah, if you have any questions, please ping me in the chat, and I will be there to help you with. And let's start on this your project. I'm really interested. Thank you.